In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a video title on Vimeo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. First, you're going to want to open Vimeo in your preferred web browser. Make sure you're signed in to your account, as you'll need access to edit your videos. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on your main dashboard. From here, head over to what we call the library section. This is where all of your uploaded videos are stored, neatly organized for you. Once you're in your library, you'll want to locate the video you wish to edit. You can scroll through your collection or use the search feature if you have quite a few uploads. Once you find the right video, go ahead and click on it to open the video editing options. Now look over to the left side of the page. You'll see a variety of options including details, appearance, embed, and a few others. For this particular task, you'll want to click on appearance. It's an important section where you can modify how your video looks, including various elements displayed during playback. After you click on Appearance, you will see an array of options laid out before you, but our focus today is on the Embed tab, so go ahead and click on that. In this section, you will come across the Details section that contains different settings for how your video is embedded on other sites or shared. In the Details section, search for where it indicates Title. This is an option specifically for displaying the title of your video when it's embedded elsewhere or even on the Vimeo platform. When you find it, you'll notice that there's a toggle switch or an option to turn it on or off. Here's the key part. You want to turn the title option off. This means the title won't be shown when your video is shared or embedded. Once you've switched that option off, it's crucial to remember to click on the Save button. You want to make sure all your changes are saved, or else you might end up doing all this work for nothing. Now that you've saved your changes, it's time to double-check your work. You can do this by opening the embedded video or simply viewing it on Vimeo itself as it would appear to your audience. If you followed all the steps correctly, the title should now be removed, providing a cleaner look for your video. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the video title on Vimeo. This not only makes your video look more professional, but it also enhances the viewing experience by focusing the audience's attention where it really matters, on the content itself. If you have any questions about this process, or if you'd like to learn more about other features on Vimeo, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Also, remember to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribing would mean a lot as I plan to share more insights and tips on video editing and management in the future. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.